if you're getting random misfires, strange sensor codes, and a check engine light that comes and goes on your BMW, the problem probably isn't the computer. It's likely a simple oil leak that's tricking your car's brain. Here's what's happening. It almost always starts with a failing gasket, usually the oil filter housing or the valve cover. These are common leak points on many BMWs, especially as they age. The rubber gets hard from heat cycles and starts to weep oil. That oil drips directly onto your main engine wiring harness. Now, you'd think the oil would just make a mess, but it does something much worse. It gets inside the wire's insulation through a process called capillary action. Think of a candle wick pulling wax up to the flame. It's the same idea. The oil slowly travels inside the wiring, moving along the copper strands, sometimes even uphill, against gravity. This can take months or even years, so you might not connect the old leak to the new electrical problem. The oil's final destination is the main connector for your engine computer, the DME. It pools inside that connector, soaking the delicate pins. While engine oil itself doesn't conduct electricity well, it breaks down the seals on the connector pins and contaminates the low-voltage reference signals. Your DME sends out a clean 5-volt signal to its sensors, but when oil fouls the connection, that signal gets distorted. The computer sees these corrupted signals as sensor failures, misfires, or other system faults, and it throws codes that don't point to the real cause. So, how do you confirm this? You have to look. First, find the source. Pop the hood and use a flashlight. Check around the oil filter housing at the front of the engine and along the edges of the big plastic valve cover on top. You're looking for wet, fresh oil, not just old dirt. Next, you need to inspect the DME itself. On many 6-cylinder models like those with the N52, N54, or N55 engines, the computer is in a black or white plastic box in the engine bay, usually near the firewall on the passenger side. The first and most important step is to disconnect the car's battery. Once that's done, you can open the box and carefully unplug the large multi-pin connectors from the DME. They have release tabs. Don't ever force them. Now, shine your light directly into the harness side connector and look at the pins on the DME module. Are they all clean and dry? Or can you see a glistening, oily film coating the metal pins? If you see oil in there, you've found the root of your electrical problems. Ignoring this means the problem will only get worse. If you catch it early, you can fix the leaking gasket and thoroughly clean the connectors with a quality electronics cleaner, then let them air dry completely. But if the oil has deeply saturated the harness, the only permanent fix is replacing that section of wiring. A simple gasket job is straightforward. A new wiring harness and a potentially damaged DME are not. So before you start replacing expensive sensors or blaming the computer, check for oil where it doesn't belong. Fix the leak first. Everything else comes after.